everybody, it's Artemis and this is my mama. And,
Hi everybody, I'm Shelly.
She has a Facebook account called Self Craft Box, and
There'll be a link below.
before we get started, like and subscribe.
Okay everybody, we're going to make little tags for Easter. And I took a tag and we painted it pretty blue, and the blue color is it turquoise?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
turquoise.
it's turquoise.
And it says Craft Smart. And so I painted the tag with the turquoise, and then we used the surface wax. We just put the wax on and then you wipe it off. And these are our stencils, and we'll have a link below for the paste and the stencils. So let's get crafting. Okay, so these stencils you can use over and over and over again. What you do is you peel them off, and then you rub it on the fuzzy to take the fuzz, get the sticky off basically, and then you put it down wherever you want it. These are the most easiest things I've ever used in my life. I love them. Make sure that it's sticked on your board, or stuck on your board. And then we're going to do yellow. We're going to use the yellow paste. We take it and we just go right over it. And the good thing is you wipe it all back into your paste, and then you're not wasting any. It's just so nice and easy. And Artemis is going to show you how easy it is for her. She's going to do a rabbit on hers. I'm doing the one that says Happy Easter.
There's a little bit space down there.
Take it off and we put leftover back into your paste jar.
There's some right there.
Make sure it's all on there. And then you peel it off. And you put the stencil in some warm water. And voila, you have Happy Easter. Hopefully you can see that.
You can put anything on yours.
Yep. And we'll wipe this off, and Artemis is going to give you a close look of her doing hers.
So I'm taking
My stencil.
my stencil off.
And we're going to rub it on.
Rub
Take
it
some
on
of the sticky
this.
off. Rub it. Just take it off. Now put it on here.
Put it on yours.
And make sure you put it down so it doesn't get behind. Stick it. Okay. There you go.
And now I'm gonna use the hot pink. At least I think it's hot pink. And there I'm done.
Just go right over this stencil. Put a little bit more on there. The only thing you got to remember is to stay on the stencil.
Yep.
And then start taking it off and putting it back. Okay, go ahead and take some more off. Take some more off. Looks real good. Go right around his face a little bit. Oops, stay on the stencil. I think that's good.
And now you take the stencil off. and put it in the water.
And there you go.
Mm-hmm.
It dries pretty quick. And see how we just rub that right off? It'll dry, and then we can take the two of them
And
take a little bow. And there you go. And you can stick that on a wreath for your door or an Easter basket or anything you might want to do.
I hope you liked the craft we did today. The link to the supplies we used are in the description below. I hope I see you all next time. Bye!
Bye!